Good morning, everyone. I hope that you all are having an amazing Thursday morning. So today I got out early before I had to clock in for work, and I am going to plant out some things in my garden. So I just showed you some peas that I got from Haas, and I think I showed you guys these in my last haul, a Haas haul. And so I'm planting these out with some tomatoes. Now, these tomatoes were planted out last night. The sun caught me because they were coming down on me, and I was so excited to get them out in the garden. I actually went to Lowe's yesterday evening when I got off of work. I bought 3 tomato plants and 2 jalapeno pepper plants. It's been raining here consistently for the last 3 or 4 days, and so if you are an avid gardener, you know the fiending that I was feeling because I couldn't get in my garden. So I was like a crack fiend. I was like, oh my God, I can't go outside and look at my garden. But this morning we are out here and we are planting these peas around the tomatoes. These tomatoes are indeterminate tomatoes, so they will trellis. One is a Cherokee purple tomato, and the other is a oh gosh, what is the other one? I can't think of it right now. It's a beefsteak tomato, so it will trellis as well. And so I'm excited about that. And I'm just waiting. I'm actually just pushing down these peas to cover them up, and then I'll water them in shortly. So here we are, and I'm sorry about the noise in the background, but right now I'm putting in this tomato. This is a yellow tomato. I don't think I've ever grown a yellow tomato before, but I'm excited for the flavor because I'm going to use this in my sauces, especially my spaghetti sauce. The first time I ever made spaghetti sauce, I used several different types of tomato flavors, and when I tell y'all, the flavor was amazing. I think this is a lemon tomato. So the flavor was amazing. So that's what I'm planting now. And again, this is an indeterminate tomato, and it will need to trellis as well. So I'm planting it kind of close to this tomato right here, but I need it close enough so that I can trellis it on that little railing that you see right by my hair. I'm so sorry, my hair is covering it, but you can see that black railing, and that's where I need to trellis it up. All right, y'all, so this is the last pepper plant that I needed to plant out because I did buy 2 jalapeno pepper plants. I thought for some reason that I had more jalapeno peppers in my freezer, and I didn't. But I do have some jars left of jalapeno peppers, but I want to be able to can up some more this year. I usually plant about 6 or 7 jalapeno peppers, and it was overwhelming to have to jar up so much. So I figured if I get 2 jalapeno pepper plants in, I could still get about 8 jars of jalapeno peppers because jalapenos are the gift that keep on giving, and they don't stop. I usually have to actually pull my plants because it's like an indeterminate tomato. They will continue to give and give and give until your first frost. So I usually pull my jalapeno peppers. So, and actually, this is the second one. Sorry, that was the first. This is the second one that I'm planting out. So, yeah, I wanted to make sure I had enough jalapeno peppers for next year because I think I only have about 5 jars left. And fortunately for me, I was able to get enough. When I tell y'all God provides, He provides. And I'm able to share with my family and friends. So I'm just planting another one so that I will have enough for next year. I did not put the micro growth on any of the plants that I planted between yesterday and today. Not that it needs it, in my opinion, because everything that I planted before, it always looks good and I never have an issue. So the purpose of the micro growth, I'm really just kind of experimenting to see what it will do for me this year. So here we're just watering in the garden that I actually planted out. Everything else I'm not going to water only because that soil was so wet I didn't need to water anymore. And that is it for this video. And until next time, me and Hawks will see y'all in the next one. Bye.